Progress starts at the finish line. I think if you want to be really good at what you're doing, and especially in sports, it needs reflection on what you did so far, and it needs some kind of focus where you want to go. My highlight in my sports career so far were the World Championships in 2019. This competition is the most important competition, not only just because I won that day, but because I was able to grow and to just let go of everything that was holding me back. Progress, it's the fire that drives you, it's the warmth that fills you up every time you think about what you want to achieve. It's being aware of oneself, but also about the surrounding. Then just doing better for both. It's more in life, and I think that's what makes me happy, knowing that there are so many fires within me that I want to fuel every day with everything I do. I want to give back. So I started to work with kids and founded my own organization. I want to enable children to do sports and to get out of their homes, get into a new kind of social environment where they can develop themselves as persons, as athletes, but foremost as persons. I want to inspire the kids to be creators of their own world. I think being together enables so much more. It creates synergies, and with that, there's more possible. It's not just the sports, it's also part of my personality, that I believe in progress, that I believe in doing better. What's your story of progress?